Are you a busy marketing director, ready to gain more time in your day, but just don't know where you can delegate effectively? Imagine if your team could handle every detail of your trade show program with confidence and ease, leaving you to focus on other impending projects. Introducing Booth Boss Bootcamp, the solution busy marketing leaders have been waiting for. This online course empowers your team with fun, online training on everything from budgeting, KPIs, and booth design to profit-generating tips, so they become the experts. Instead of spending time on training and leading the team yourself, you'll have a team ready to bring fresh, creative ideas that elevate your trade show results. With strategies proven to reduce costs, attract more leads, and increase ROI, Booth Boss Bootcamp makes your team self-sufficient and ROI-driven. Let go of the trade show training, elevate your team's confidence, and make your trade show program a success. With Booth Boss Bootcamp, everyone wins.